All right, guys, I've done these before. Like, I don't want to damage my H, so I'm gonna show you a way that I do mines. I've seen other YouTubers that are good people that I'm subscribed. They subscribe to my channel, so I've seen how they do it. I'm gonna try a different way, show you guys. I don't want to damage anything. I'm just that picky. I'm sorry, but that's the way I keep it exclusive with the car. Try to keep it with nothing, no dings, no dangs, nothing. So I'm gonna show you a way that I do it. If you like it, do it the same way I do it. Most guys, if I can't do it the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna be specific. Then I'll use the flathead screwdriver. But if not, I'm gonna show you what I use. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Make sure to like the video. I'm giving you guys some tricks, man. So stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome, and this is not gonna do any damage at all. So if it works, I did it before in my other Honda. So if it works, you're gonna be impressed, guys. It's real easy. It's not gonna. All right, guys. So now we're in front of the car. Most guys use a flathead, and they use like a one of the microfiber. This one's dirty. I was cleaning the car with it, but it doesn't matter. And they go through here and they press on it, and boom, they remove it, right? And it works. It does. But most times it damages like behind the H back here. I don't want to do that to my car, and I don't want to break my H either. So some people break the H off. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to do it as clean as possible. So you guys seen this before in my videos, the squeaky. This is just to remove the air when you put in vinyl or whatever. The screen protectors on the cars to remove the bubbles. This is what I was using. Yeah, and we also using these, guys. I have a better set at home that is very like thin ones. Those are the ones I need, but I'm running my house out, so I'm not at the garage. So I'm just gonna try with this one. Hopefully it works, but I don't want to make the video too long. So look, put all that stuff down, guys. Maybe you could use this to help this out, and it won't do any damage because you don't have to do any pressure. So you start by, this is your H right here, right? This is your center points right here. So you know all the pressure is right here. This is where you gotta really, don't focus on none of this. So if you never did this, I'm being like a little specific so you learn. But this is where that's where it holds strong. So you grab this, you go in an angle, you go in here, and then you start coming up, right? Then try to get it loose little by little. And then now I have it in both. So see, now I'm holding both. So I'm going slowly. I'm feeling it. I hear it, guys. So go deeper now. My H is stuck, guys. Keep doing it. I see it's here. I'm giving me the problems. So I'm up here now. This is tough, guys. Alright. Alright, man, this thing is tough, guys. Just take your time, there's no rush. That's the first one, guys. Don't squeeze hard on the H. Damn. They're still broke. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but guess what? Look at this. The H is intact. I just put 3mm tape. I didn't hurt this at all. So now I'm gonna clean this. All right, guys, it's clean. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove these real quick. Put them here. I'm gonna remove the 3mm tape. Some guys heat it up. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put it right on. If it falls off, then I'll buy another one. I'm just telling you guys how I do it. So, guys, let's try it here. I'm gonna try to give you guys a better view. Maybe you don't see me completely, but you can see the H. I'll put these on top of the car. I don't want to scratch it. So, this is the rear H. It's getting windy out here, guys. Sorry. I think they're right here, so let's try going here first. Go like this. Yeah, these things are tough, man. Now I see why you guys are hurting your cars with the flathead. You can hear it. It's coming loose, but it's already loose. Look. See that? Let's keep playing with it. Oh, I broke the H. Freaking crap. I guess there's no perfect way to do this. Oh, this one I already got it. I already got it removed. I mean, replaced. So, if I ever decide to switch them back, but still, I'm gonna try to get it out. Honda, why you put these things so tight? Honestly. This thing is freaking cracking everywhere. Just don't want to hurt my paint. So I don't hurt my paint. I don't care about the rest. There you go. Apply some pressure, guys. It's all about the pressure. I am running the car right now. Alright guys, so how you like that? Pretty easy to do. So my goal was not to hurt the car. I hurt the H a little bit. That was my goal, not to hurt it either. But another thing we're gonna do is remove this, guys. Now, a lot of you guys have been complaining about this sticker here, so I'm gonna heat it up at home, take it out. I was trying to see if it comes out now. So let's go check out the front. Alright guys, there you have it. Alright guys, so the car is looking better, looking good. It's the baby right there, so stay tuned for more videos. If you like the video, leave a comment below. If you like the way I did it, just let me know in the comment section. It's easy. The H, to be honest, you're not going to save that, so I should have never even worried about the H. But the only thing that I was really worried about was hurting the car itself with the flathead. So I managed to not do any damage. So car's looking great. Go watch my other videos. Let's do a meetup somewhere, guys. Honda Day, April 6th and 7th. I'll be there. So look at that rear now. Most of you guys don't like the plate. I'll see what happens with that. We got more videos coming. Stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay exclusive.